Welcome to Intraflooring, your expert in premium kitchen solutions. We present three key trends in kitchen design for 2025. The first trend is advanced materials with nano-coating. These innovative surfaces are resistant to scratches and stains while requiring minimal maintenance. Our collection features premium models from leading manufacturers with this technology. The second trend is environmental sustainability. Responding to growing demand, we offer a wide selection of kitchen sets with facades made from natural wood and eco-friendly materials that meet high-quality standards. The third trend is integrated appliances. Our team will help you select a kitchen where household appliances are perfectly incorporated into the overall composition, creating a minimalist design. We invite you to experience these solutions in our showroom. Contact details for consultation are in the description. Subscribe to our channel for updates on the latest kitchen design trends.